Burke has an incredible offering of Level X products, and we decided to add to that offering with the Level X Extreme because of the popularity, play value, and aesthetic Level X offers.
Not only is the architectural form something that really stands out from a distance, but we made sure to pack this thing full of play value. And it also gives kids a lot of variation and challenge, so they can really choose their own adventure. So not only do we have metal climbers and rope climbers and a rubber climber that runs up the center with these really cool climbing pods, but we have such a variation in skill level. We also made sure that it was true composite play. And no composite play is complete without a sliding experience. So there's a great spot where you can choose to put any one of our exciting 8-foot Viper slides or our super fast Velo slide.
And you would also have the flexibility to create a design replacing both wings with the linking components, and you end up with an awesome playscape that has the Level X Extreme as the center point with additional play structures on both sides.
There's even a sensory area within Level X Extreme that will draw kids into the play area and, if they desire, provide this place for them to plan their play experience or step away from the action for a different kind of play.
The other area where we've incorporated motion play is in the suspended pods. These suspended pods offer kids an opportunity to stand on them and shake around. They can sit on them and shake around. And these are even accessible, so a child with a mobility device has easy access to experience that same event. So as you're climbing and you reach up and you grab your handhold, what happens is you're surprised as this rope begins to rattle. One of the ways that you experience motion is through balance. And we have this really cool thick rope that spans between the outer wing and the center wing, and there's a handhold that actually crisscrosses with that rope. When you get to the top of the accessible portion of the Level X Extreme and you look up, there's a net that's suspended up there, and it creates a really cool perch spot, almost like a hammock. Level X products are great at transforming an ordinary play space into something extraordinary.
The all-new Level X Extreme. This is play that moves me.